What's up, everybody? It's me, Mr. Sonquist. I got my bubble water ready to rock and roll. I just wanted to go through the anti-gravity machine activity. There's actually a bunch of activities in there, so I'm going to go through them one by one so you can know how to do them the best. And if you've already done them and you want to make some additions and some corrections, this will give you some tips for doing that. Okay, so to get started, we're going to go to classwork and then go down to the anti-gravity machine mission. The first thing you should always do is look at these videos, all right, because the video is there to give you an introduction, let you know how to do it. There's me on a rainy day.
All right, what's up, guys? So it just started raining. You can kind of see in the distance.
Okay, we're not going to watch that even though I really want to. But watch the video because that will actually show you what to do. Then you're going to start up your own assignment. Now, here's a pro tip. Click on View Assignment because that way you can see what other people have been saying, if they have, or if they had comments, questions. And then you can see what they've been wondering about. You can also see the instructions, and then this is actually a much better way to access your doc. So click on your doc. This creates a copy for you with your name already on it, and then you're ready to go. Okay, so I've kind of phased this out of putting your name in these because your name is already attached to it, but I'm just going to do it because it says to. This first one, you have to build an anti-gravity machine, and that's what that first video is all about. But actually, before you even do that, it tells you to do this. Insert a drawing or a model showing how you think gravity works in the solar system. See right here, it says delete the picture of the solar system, that's this one, and add your own. Okay, this is some tips for how to insert a drawing. So check out these links, they're there to help you. Now I really want you to see this. Make a drawing of gravity in the solar system on a separate piece of paper, then insert it into this space. This is super important. There are no right or wrong answers here. It's just a model of your thinking at this moment in time. Okay. Now, of course, it should do what it says. Show how you think gravity works in the solar system. So then you make that drawing and insert it. All right. So for my planet, sun, and planet gravity model, this is going to be my sun, and this is going to be my planet. Could be anything for Earth. And then I've got some kind of a lighter line drawn around here. That's my orbit. So I've got to show somehow gravity in here. I know that gravity pulls the planet towards the sun. So I think that's it. I'm just gonna add some color, some marked lines on here so that it's a little bit easier for me to show this, especially when I put it into my Google Sheet. And then let's see the orbit, just so it's kind of a light line. I think I'll call this gravity. And just because I can't help myself, and some color here. think I'm ready to put this into the dock. So I'm ready to add that drawing in. First thing I'm going to do is delete this big picture of the solar system out of here. So I'm just going to click on it, press the delete key. Then I'm going to get my drawing in hand and then choose Insert, Image, choose Camera. That will activate the camera. And then I could add a picture of me, but we're not doing that today. We're going to add a picture of our gravity system. So here's another pro tip. Try to fill up as much of the screen as you can, but don't worry too much about your hands, because you will be able to deal with that as long as you get it pretty straight. So I think I've got it pretty straight. Everything's in, and I'm going to hit the camera button. Okay, I captured it. I'm satisfied with that, and I'm going to press Insert. Alright, so that actually looks pretty good. I still think, though, I could make it a little bit better, and I'm going to do that by double-clicking, and I'm going to crop out some of the other stuff that doesn't need to be there. So I'm just pulling on these black lines. This is kind of just an extra thing to make it a little bit nicer, to make your good picture fit into the space better. And then sometimes there's like spaces in here that if we delete them, yeah. Now I can scale it up a little bit bigger, and so it looks much better. Alright, so that's actually the end of this first activity that says model your thinking. I drew my picture. I made sure that it shows how I think gravity works in the solar system. And that's it. Tune in again where I'll show some more tips and tricks for more of these assignments.